Cubism is an early 20th century avant-garde art movement that revolutionized European painting and sculpture, and inspired related movements in music, literature and architecture. Cubism has been considered the most influential art movement of the 20th century. The term is broadly used in association with a wide variety of art produced in around Paris during the 1910s and throughout the 1920s. The movement was pioneered by Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque. One primary influence that led to Cubism was the representation of three-dimensional form in the late works of Paul Cézanne. In Cubist artwork, objects are analyzed, broken up and reassembled in an abstracted form instead of depicting objects from a single viewpoint. The artist depicts the subject from a multitude of viewpoints to represent the subject in a greater context. Cubist sculpture is rooted in Paul Cézanne's reduction of painted objects into component planes and geometric solids, cubes, spheres, cylinders, and cones. And just as in painting, it became a pervasive influence and contributed fundamentally to constructivism and futurism. Early Cubism is 1909 to 1914. There was a distinct difference between Conweiler's Cubists and the Salon Cubists. Prior to 1914, Picasso, Braque, Gris and Léger gained the support of a single committed art dealer in Paris, Daniel Henry Conweiler, who guaranteed them an annual income for the exclusive right to buy their works. Conweiler sold only to a small circle of connoisseurs. His support gave his artists the freedom to experiment in relative privacy. Picasso worked in Montmartre until 1912, while Braque and Gris remained there until after the First World War. Cubism after 1918. The most innovative period of Cubism was before 1914. After World War I, with the support given by the dealer Léonce Rosenberg, Cubism returned as a central issue for artists, and continued as such until the mid-1920s when its avant-garde status was rendered questionable by the emergence of geometric abstraction and surrealism in Paris. Many Cubists, including Picasso, Braque, Gris, Léger, Glazes, and Metzinger, while developing other styles, returned periodically to Cubism, even well after 1925. Cubism re-emerged during the 1920s and the 1930s in the work of the American Stuart Davis and the Englishman Ben Nicholson. In France, however, Cubism experienced a decline beginning in about 1925.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.